Will I have to testify about the abuse in my VAWA case? So this is something that many VAWA applicants worry about. They're nervous about it. This might even prevent them from applying for immigration benefits. That could be a social security number, it could be a work authorization, and ultimately a green card. It could even help their children and their future generations. But the fear of having to talk about the abuse that they suffered or the problems in their marriage is embarrassing. It might be culturally unacceptable to speak about these things to strangers, right, to the immigration officers. So to answer your question, no, you will most likely not have to talk about the abuse in your case. Almost all of our clients, I don't think any of our clients have ever been asked about the abuse in their case at a VAWA or VAWA green card interview. So you will have to provide a declaration. So in order to put this statement together, our firm will interview you. So our firm will call you, we'll have a long talk. Usually they're about 2 hours long, where we ask you questions, and your job is to just answer those questions truthfully with as much detail as possible, right? So we're trained to ask you questions to suss out all that information we need for that VAWA affidavit to make it as strong as possible. In most cases, this is the only piece of evidence of abuse that we are able to submit for our VAWA clients. So it's very, very important. But to remember, you're going to be talking to us. We're on your side. We're on your team. We're helping you file your VAWA case. We want to make it as strong as possible. And so be open, be honest with us, and we'll work with the information you give us. We will make it the strongest affidavit we can possibly make it, while making sure that everything we are stating is truthful and accurate. Okay? So to answer your question, no, the government will not reach out to you directly to have you come on the stand or testify about the abuse in your VAWA case. You may be asked about it at a green card interview if the government suspects fraud. Our team would prepare you for that, and in most cases, most VAWA cases are approved. Most VAWA and green cards are approved, at least the ones with our firm, many without interview. And even if you go to the interview, in most cases, unless there's a suspicion of fraud, the government will not be permitted to ask about your VAWA abuse. To ask about VAWA abuse, because the time that you get to the green card interview, the VAWA has already been decided and already been approved. So the officer is in fact prohibited, with a few exceptions, from talking about the abuse in your VAWA case. If we can help you with your VAWA case, please give us a call at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663.